Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Net Element INC, and if you can see the chart, so since 2015 the stock is trying to make a bottom. It seems like it is trying to form a rounding bottom kind of thing, and so what we are looking is a weekly chart. So obviously it is trying to create a big rounding bottom kind of pattern here. So you can see how the trend line has been. So it is something like this, and on the upside also the stock has moved like this. Okay, now if you look at the trend, so the stock went up from 1.5 to 19, probably 1200% in a very short span of time, and again falls back and is now trying to move up again. So if you just try to make a trend out of it, what we can see here is something like this. Okay, so this is what you can see. Let me just use line chart to have a clarity on this. Okay, now you can see you'll find some support levels and resistance levels as well. Okay, so now you can find the trend a bit more clear. Now you have your first support at 5.9, and if the stock falls fall below 5.9, then you have your next support or upcoming support level below 5.9 will be 3.79. then we have 3 and probably the big support will come at 1.52. so there is a big gap in between the support levels, between each and every support levels. So you need to think about that, because that's where the risk lies. And on the upside you have your first target at 16.03, 16 on dollars, and then you have 19.88. so these are the two important resistance level or the target which you need to look at. Let me just zoom. Yep. So if you look at the chart, so this is the weekly chart. What you can see here is that the stock has been going down since 2012 onwards, and if you just make a trend out of it, so you'll find something like this. I don't know how reasonable it could be if I draw a trend like this, because this simply means that if the stock goes above $20 and stay above there, it can go or reach towards 272 odd dollars. That's probably not the case, at least not in one go. So what we can do here, we will make things which seems logical and looks reasonable as well. So now you have your trends like this, and you have your trend like this. So the first thing for this stock is to go and stay above 19.88 or 20 odd dollars. If it is successful to do that, then we have our next support at 35.43, then probably 64.55, then a resistance range which are slow close with one another, 99.06, 109, and your big resistance or target will come at $144. So you can see how many layers there have been to go up. So you need to recheck your levels whenever you think that the stock may go up, and whenever it goes down you need to know where your risk actually lies. And if the stock moves up and it will continuously moves up, what you need to do is understand the risk and trail your stop losses accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.